Hi, this is Eric. I am the Giant Triker. Today I'm going to be hoping to get out here despite the cold temperatures. It's about 40 degrees and we've had a lot of snow and ice here in Kentucky, but I'm hoping to get out and enjoy anyway. I think the snow will be melted enough that I can get out and get on the trail today. And I also want to show you how I'm going to fix my broken Mirrcycle. That's the stock mirror that comes with your Catrike. A few weeks ago I took the mirror off to take it apart, clean it. It was really squeaky and I wanted to get all the dust out, grease up the joints and all that. And when I went to put it back on and screw the screw that secures it in place in here, the bolt just broke in half, and that was the end of that. So I went to the hardware store and brought the broken bolt with me and compared it to the bolts there. And I found that the number 10-24 3-inch bolt was the closest thing I could find. So let's see if that's going to work here. I had previously fixed it using electrical tape. I just kind of taped it on here, but I felt like that wasn't going to work too well if it got rained on. So the first thing I need to do is get that old tape off, which is there we go. To get started, shouldn't be too bad. So I just wrapped this E-tape around here about 6 times. Kind of tape it on there. Let's get rid of that. This should come right out of here. On the inside of this, there's a pinch bolt. So again, I had wrapped this with tape because I wanted it to be snug in there. And I need to now remove this tape. Now this is a decent little hack job if you don't mind doing a fix without an actual bolt that fits. Let's see how this goes. So what I had done here is I had wrapped pieces of tape on here to make it so that it fit in that tube snugly, so that it wouldn't rattle around in there. But hopefully this new bolt will do it. A pack of screws, I got it at local hardware store. It was like $1.50. So this is a really cheap repair. Get all that off, and now it's stuck to my finger. So see, all that's really going on here is you've got this big screw is going to go all the way through this, and it's going to cause these to come together, which pushes this to the sides of the tube and holds it in place. So with any luck. Now this thing, it is cracked here, so I'm not sure if it's going to work, but hopefully it'll work out. Put this in here, get it on real nice, and tighten this up here. Hopefully it won't break again. Point being, I don't want something that's going to fall apart in the rain. That E-tape is not bad, but it's not great. And voila, it's in there pretty good, it's secure. Okay, so it's a pretty easy fix. You just need to make sure you have a number 10-24 3-inch bolt, and that will fit the pinch bolt in here and should be good to go. It's a little bit loose here. Let me just give it a little bit more oomph. Watch it break again. That's good. It's pretty snug. We'll see on the ride. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a hex top to it, just the Phillips head. My goodness. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the footage from today's ride, and hopefully I'll get the drone up as well along the trail here. So thanks for watching. Be sure to forget to like or subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye. Alright, so I'm about 10 feet onto the trail. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. Don't think there'll be any trail riding today, but it was kind of fun to get out and at least see if it was possible. No, not on the marathon racers. No. At least I have an excuse to go home. Well, a little bit of time travel and magic, and things are looking really good. There's actually a possum running across the trail right now. That thing is huge. What? I thought those were nocturnal animals. Not very fast. Where's he going? Or she? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, you not happy? Well, there you go. I've never been that close to a possum before. We'll take it. So it's a couple days after I gave up on that last ride. Still some slush out here, but I'm gonna have a good time. So let's enjoy the sun and the warmth. See how the rest of the trail is today. I'm back for a small conclusion about the mirror repair. When I hit road bumps, it vibrates a lot, and I can't tell what's in the mirror, which makes it kind of useless. So I'm going to look at ways of tightening that down. What I might do is see if I can tighten the screws some more and get that to work. Got a passer here. Let them pass. Hello. How's it going? Where was I? So I'm going to try tightening that screw down again. If I break this bolt, I've got 3 other ones in that pack, so I can try several times. And I might try the electrical tape on the inside again. That was maybe cushioning the mirror a little bit, preventing it from vibrating. So I'll try some things out. Maybe in a future video I'll let you know what worked best to fix that vibration issue. So I'm really glad it warmed up today, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.